Transform your Costco steak into a medium-rare masterpiece with this foolproof guide. First, let's talk steak selection for that juicy, medium-rare perfection. I recommend cuts like the ribeye, New York strip, or even a thicker sirloin look for good marbling A-circumflex gyros. Those little white flecks of fat throughout the meat A-circumflex gyros, as this adds incredible flavor and tenderness. Aim for a steak at least 1 inch to 1.5 inches thick for the best results. Now for that incredible sear. Moisture is the enemy. Pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for developing a beautiful, caramelized crust. Season generously on all sides with salt and freshly cracked black pepper just before cooking. Heat your pan over medium-high to high heat. You want it smoking hot before the steak goes in. Add a high smoke point oil like canola, avocado, or grapeseed oil. A-circumflex gyros, about 1 tablespoon or 2. Carefully lay your steak in the hot pan. You should hear a satisfying sizzle. Resist the urge to move it. Let it sear undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, depending on thickness, to develop that gorgeous crust. Once you've got that crust, reduce the heat to medium. Now, for some extra flavor, add a few tablespoons of butter, a couple of smashed garlic cloves, and a sprig of rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan slightly and begin basting the steak by spooning the melted butter and aromatics over the top. Continue basting for another 2 to 4 minutes, flipping the steak every minute or so to ensure even cooking and to keep that delicious butter-herb mixture coating the meat. The key to perfect medium rare is temperature. For medium rare, we're looking for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Insert your meat thermometer into the thickest part of the steak, avoiding any bone. Once it hits your target temperature, remove the steak from the pan. This is arguably the most important step. Resting. Transfer your steak to a clean cutting board and let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring a tender and incredibly moist steak. Slice against the grain and behold that beautiful medium-rare perfection. Juicy, flavorful, and cooked just right. Enjoy your incredible Costco steak.